system will pick fruit with no damage to fruit. Engineering requirement: the system shall be able to identify and pick one apple that is either red or green in color. The system shall be able to identify and pick one pear that is green in color. Apple or pear skin shall remain whole and unbruised after contact with the end effector. The system shall be able to identify two types of palm fruit of two different colors. The system shall also pick the fruit without damaging it. So to test this, we set our robot to its home position, and then we selected the right type of fruit, either the red apple or a green pear. Once we did that, we let the software that we wrote determine the location of the apple or pear. We actually pick the apple and pear, and then we observed if there was any damage to the skin, any skin breakage, or if there was any damage to the fruit. We compare that to an image that we took before we started the procedure to verify that the fruit was okay. This is important because we may be able to pick a fruit, but it's not, you can't sell it to a customer if it's bruised. So it's very important that we maintain the integrity of the fruit skin.
Alright, this is the apple we will be using for picking within under 30 seconds and without damage to the fruit. Two different tests, but they both, during this test, will be completed. As you can see, this apple is free of bruising and any markings or tears to its skin, so it will be ideal for testing. I will set it up here. Program will run on the MATLAB side.
Initialization, as in the documentation, will start once we flip the switch for like the color switch.
Yep.
Just not the on switch. Apple picked within 30 seconds. Looking at for damage.
As you can see, there's no bruising and no tears on the skin.
Condition passes.
Alright, this is the second part of the testing for picking the fruit without without any damage. Instead of an apple, this time we have a pear as per the requirements. You can see that there is no tearing or bruising on this pear. Now we'll conduct a test.
Careful, Penny. Why don't you drink?
It's empty.
Okay.
As you can see, the pear remains unbruised and the skin is intact. Test passes.